Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Heidi Sonboul's DIY challenge, and the theme this time is winter. So I have for you a very quick, very easy and I think very nice DIY, and I'm going to use some elements from Dollar Tree, like this beautiful tray, and I have also this corrugated tin. This is from the dumpster. I don't remember from which store. My daughter and I are dumpster divers, so we found a lot of treasures in the dumpsters. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks. It's going to be linked in the description box, as well as Heidi's channel, yes, and the playlist with all the videos that are going to participate in this challenge. Please pay a visit and watch all the videos. This thing, or I don't know how to call it, had this star attached with a couple of tiny screws in the back. So I unscrewed them because I'm not going to use a star this time. It's kind of twisted, maybe that's why they throw it to the garbage. And I had to cut it a little bit in the bottom, because as you can see, the tray is not straight, it's wider here. So I cut this piece on this side. This is really simple and easy, you don't need any special tool. I'm going to just make a cut here for you to see how easy it is to cut it with a regular scissors. And now this fits in the basket, in the tray, sorry. As it is twisted, I will have to add some E6000 to keep it in place, because you see it tends to get not straight in the bottom. But right now I'm going to work with it as it is, because I don't want to lose time waiting for the E6000 to dry. So let's pretend this is glue. First of all, I went around the tray with this thin buffalo check ribbon, and I'm going to do the same with the other side. I'm going to add some hot glue. I need my finger protector, and I'm going to glue this bit, the tip of this ribbon, to the inside of the tray. I'm going to add just a couple of dots of hot glue here and here. Then I will clean the mess that hot glue always leaves, all these threads. And now I'm going to finish. This is, sorry for the noises, this is too long. I'm going to cut this piece, and I'm going to glue the other tip. Again, a little bit of hot glue outside and inside. Let me tell you, this glue gun I am using is not the regular one. It's one I bought once, I didn't like it, and I kept it just in case. And I'm glad I did that, because the one I regularly use and I love died 5 minutes before I started filming the video. So I'm using this one, which the other one has a very thin nozzle, and so you can regulate the amount of glue. This one not, and doesn't have that, so the amount of glue is too much all the time. Oh, I got burnt, but not a lot. Okay, now that I have this ribbon glued, As you can see, I also did the same with the top. It had a piece of twine, I think, because it seems it was to be intended to be hung. So I decided to use the same ribbon on the top, and I'm going to glue the tails so they don't show when you look it from the front. Okay. And now I'm going to add this bow here on top of the knot that I made, so it will have a better finish. Let me press a little bit, and we are really almost done. This is really quick, really easy, but I like a lot the effect. I made this sign, winter. It's a little piece of foam board. I printed the word on vellum paper with my computer. As I always say, if you are transferring something on a surface, vellum paper allows you to see what you are transferring. So if you by chance move the paper or the piece of wood, whatever you are working with, you can reposition the vellum paper and continue transferring, knowing that you are exactly where you want it to be. And to transfer it, I used white transfer paper, which is also great. It's the best thing when you are transferring something on a white surface, because you get what you are transferring already in white. Let me show you on the back. I don't have a pencil here. I had one, I don't see it, but anyway, let me do this just with this pen. You see, you get it in white already. So this helps a lot at the moment of going over and filling. No, it doesn't want to take right, and filling in the letters. I did that using this pen, which is great when you need something with a very, very thin tip. And now I'm going to glue the sign on the front of the tray. I'm going to use again hot glue. I need another stick. I have one here. Let me do this. So let's again add the hot glue to this little sign. And this glue gun hits so much that sometimes it's really dangerous. And I'm going to eyeball, as I usually do. I hate measuring, but I think it's center. And we have the tiny sign on the front of the tray. And now, again, as I said, I'm going to add 6,000 for this to be straight, but for now I'm going to finish the decoration and the DIY. I'm going to add this pot. I bought it like 3 years ago, and I'm pretty sure that it's from Target. Not 100% sure, but pretty sure it's from Target. I love it. Look at the tiny pine cones and all the glitter. Really wintry. So I'm going to add it here in this corner. And I'm going to finish the decoration with this peak. This is from the dumpster. from Michael's. We found so many Christmas things from Michael's every year, before and after Christmas, that usually we don't need to buy anything. Even wreaths, we found so many beautiful wreaths. So I think this is perfect as a winter arrangement, and as you can see, quicker than quick. If you like this video and this idea, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to Heidi for hosting this challenge. Please visit her channel and please watch all the videos in the playlist. Thank you so much to all of you for watching my videos. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.